Good morning. The Thanksgiving weekend was ushered in by a strong northwest cold front, bringing with it some sleet, some snow, and heavy winds. Wind gusts were in excess of 40 to 50 miles per hour, making boating to duck hunting spots quite treacherous. So treacherous, in fact, that earlier in the morning, 3 duck hunters had to be rescued after their boat capsized. We had to pause our hunt for a little while as well to help another duck hunter whose boat had blown away from him. I was joined on this hunt by my grandson, and after taking our time, we made it safely to our hunting spot. Here come the other two. Come on, you guys, turn this way. Oh good, turn this way. Don't move. Nope, turn around, look at them. They're going away from us. Not sure what they want to do. Wasn't the shot I wanted. Huh?
I thought you said that. I see two right there.
Yep, I see him. Touch!
That one?
Yep.
Yeah. What do you think it is?
That might be teal. See it floating out there?
Oh, it's alive?
Yeah, well, it's not doing great. Yep. Yep.
You got the teal? Oh, there's...
This one might come back. Oops, sorry. He's gonna go into those guys. No, I want to come around the back. Right back over. She came up before. Back here, right here. Back here. Good girl. Yeah, little green winged teal. Yep. Good girl. That was perfect. Good girl. In the back. She might try and get in the front, but. Probably not really. Come on, Tala. Come on. If she comes in the back, that'd be ideal. Come on, Tala. Come on. Good girl. Come. Yeah, go ahead and grab it. Yep.
It's dead.
Oh, yeah. I crushed it.
No, it's still alive. Oh,
Yeah.
It's a test into whatever.
Oh, I got a shot in the head. It's not going to do good. Good girl.
Yeah, a couple shots.
Push that burlap out back a little bit. I guess we'll set them right here. See the green wing on it? Oh my God, look at this flock that just got up. Holy tamale. 2 of them are coming this way. The eagles are chasing them. Yep. Hen mallard. Hen mallard. It's right over here on the point. Huh? Oh yeah, she worked right in. She's right in the area, so we'll see if she comes back with it. She's downwind, so she should smell it. Oh yeah, she's got it. Yep, I'm pretty sure. Good girl, Tala. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. Atta girl, work around, work around. Yep, good girl, good girl. Good girl. Yep, hen mallard. Come on, Tala, good girl, come here. Come on, bring it here. Back here. Tala, come on. Come on, Tala. Oh, she's in the... Yep. Good girl, you can pull her forward if you can, yeah. There you go. Yeah, get it from her now before she tears it up. Come here, Tala. Good girl. Good girl. All right. You want a picture of you with that one too?
Wanna?
Only if you want it.
Can. Then when I get back, we can take a picture of how many we ever get. We'll take. And the teacher probably wants to.
Camera. Ready? Look at me. There you go. There you go. That frickin' hen greenwing got up and just was right in front of me. I didn't have my gun ready. I didn't see her in time. Oh, funny. Huh? Oh yeah, it was right in front of me. I just didn't have my gun ready in time. Here she comes again. Come on, come into the decoys. What are you doing over there? It's gonna land right back in that other spot again. Maybe not. Not. It's like she dipped low and I couldn't see her in the weeds. Just to cut the wind a little bit. Oh, oh you. Ah. So I got a duck that landed out on the far edge of the decoys. Too far to shoot though. Huh? I think it's a diver of some sort, probably a ringneck. Huh? You want to see him? See him right over there swimming?
No. No. Oh yeah.
Yep, just a little black shape. He's going that way. They kept going behind us. Huh? Oh, I see him. Here, look out in front, Owen. Don't move. Turn. Yep.
Oh, got one.
Yeah, freaking hen again. Yeah, that one's dead. I toasted that one. No, it's dead. That's just nerves. This will be a good swim for her, 'cause she's got to fight the wind going to get it, turn around and fight the wind coming back. Yeah. Although at first glance I thought this bird was a hen, something about it didn't quite look right. A fact that my grandson kept noting to me as the day went on. And when we got back home and took a much closer look at it compared to the hen, it definitely looked like a different looking bird. Don't reach for it. Don't reach for it. Come here. Okay, now you can get it. Come on, Tala. Yep. Let her get in the boat first. Come on. Yep, there you go. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, I know. I know. Do you see those two? Were you able to watch those two work or not? You're too busy down, had your head down? Because I said don't move. Yeah, flip it over. Yeah, I don't want the white belly. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, she looks bigger, that second one, than the other one. See, this one's coming back. This one's coming back. I gotta make sure it's a drake. Yep, yep. Tell. I can't tell. No, that was a mallard. I couldn't tell if it was a drake or a hen. I think it was, but I couldn't tell for sure. I couldn't tell for sure. 5 geese are getting up over the refuge. After several hours in the howling northwest wind and the sleet and snow earlier, it was time for us to go. And as so often happens, as soon as we started to pack up, several birds began working into our setup. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's a duck right there. Yeah. Oh, that was shootable. Here comes 2 more. Yeah, maybe. Where are they? That figures. Huh? That figures. But what about that strange looking mallard I shot? Back home, we laid them side by side. The top bird is clearly a hen mallard, but the bottom bird, it's definitely a bigger body size and has a distinctly different bill. Looking closer, you could just barely see some green flecks in the head of this bird, suggesting that it's most likely a drake mallard that's just in eclipse plumage. Over the next few days, winter settled in over the upper Mississippi River Valley, icing up the backwaters and sloughs and leaving few places of open water. I was able to hunt one last spot about a week later, but I only saw one hen mallard that I passed on, leaving the cold, windy day as my last good duck hunt of the season. I hope 2025 provided as many good memories for my grandson as I had. Thanks for watching.